Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Here we are again at this provincial park here in Ontario, Canada. It's called Forks of the Credit Provincial Park, and this park has a nice waterfall. If you follow the trail for about 3 kilometers or so, there's a nice, the whole river just drops down in making a beautiful waterfall down to and then the river just flows down, and eventually it goes to Lake Ontario, part of the Great Lakes here in Canada. Today I'm planning to just take the hike around to the falls, then go down to the river and see where this takes us. Okay, so come along, enjoy it, let's go. The 2 big turtles over here.
It will be funny if they jump at you like ninjas, eh?
Yeah, so 2 big turtles.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's venom.
In this pond here. You guys are trying to say hello or something. Yeah. Whew, lots of up and down here.
Mosquitoes.
It's a workout. And she's getting bitten by mosquitoes. We use bug spray like I said earlier, but I don't know what's going on. These guys, maybe they're used to a lot of people going by here, and repellent does nothing to them. Here's the trail. Yeah. And trail keeps going uphill. Lots of vegetation here too. And there's that tree. Pretty old tree. I don't know how long it's been there, but it's... So all of this area used to be farmland, I guess around the 1800s. And then the government, Ontario government, purchased it from the private landowners and made it into a park so people can enjoy it, and left it wild. So as you can hear, there's like birds and animals all over the place here. There's probably a lot of deer around the area, and coyotes, raccoons, you know, the usual animals here in southern Ontario. Another look of the tree again. It has seen better days. Well, I think I'm gonna move so this thing doesn't decide to fall on me at the wrong time. Okay, so onward we go. Okay guys, so we just got to this intersection here in the trail. Now there's a trail coming from that side, from the left, one going straight ahead, and one going to the right. Well, I think we're gonna follow the meadow trail, which is to the right, and that should go around to a Bailey Bridge we're trying to get to, and hopefully it's over the river and then onto the falls. This is kind of the long way, and there's more to see this way. There's some ruins, the tower, a few other things. So we normally go the opposite direction, but we'll try this way this time. Okay, so let's go. Now the trail is going downhill. like really downhill that way, cliff faces. I hear the river or the waterfall. It's a good sign we're getting close. And all of you guys that are experienced hikers, as you know, it's always good to carry a hiking stick with you. Helps a lot, especially up hills, down hills. If you lose your footing, you know, it's almost like having a third leg or a third arm. Okay. So the trail went down, now it turns, it goes around. Really bushy area here. Seems like we got to the bridge. Yeah, here's an old Bailey bridge. There's another trail coming from that side. All right. The trail continues over to the other side. Just come to the bench. Wow, there's two arms to the river.
Yes, this is a little bit.
There should be a connection before. So you can go to the waterfall from here. But now I guess it becomes a trail. So guys, over that way I can hear the waterfall. There's a little bridge here, Bailey Bridge. Well, it's not actually a Bailey Bridge, it's a regular bridge. And there's some railway tracks down below. Over there. Just follow the sound to the falls, I guess.
I think we should go down there.
And there's another bridge over here.
Yeah, it's another bridge. We're supposed to go there.
A mini waterfall here. No, don't go that way, but you can understand. There's a little waterfall. See it? The big one is down that way. You see it falling? So this is a mini waterfall. People used to go down there, but it was dangerous because the big waterfall is over that side at the end. There used to be an old bridge here. Come. The adventurous one. The adventurous one.
What is over here?
Let's see the waterfall. There the falls. This is the mini falls before it hits the bigger falls. So there goes the other side of the river. Stay in the edges. In the edge. And there's the stairs that go up to the trail. Over here, but you can't go down. See, Mill Side Trail. There's a trail, they closed it. See that trail? That would go to the waterfall. But see how they blocked it? And then from the other side they block it too. You gotta go up the stairs here to connect to the other side of the falls. Bypass the trail that has been closed. I don't know why they closed it, but years ago I used to follow this trail all the way and follow the river to the falls. I don't remember the stairs.
No, we never came to the stairs.
I came down the stairs last time and I remember them. I had to go back up. You know, I came with Danny and Eric.
Yeah.
And they didn't care. They were like, so, especially Danny, he was running around. It's like, no.
They're fearless.
No, they don't care until they fall. Yeah. And it's like we kept chasing them, getting scared for them. Look, there's another step.
No.
You see?
More.
Yeah. Want this one? So guys, we're on our way back to the trailhead and to the car. We tried to go to the falls. We saw a little bit of the falls, but the trail was closed. I guess there was landslides or something in the past, and it was dangerous to use the trail around the falls, so it was blocked off. We couldn't go there. So now we're on our way back. We have another, I would say, 2.5 kilometers back. At the moment we're on this nice meadow, all overgrown. Yeah, grasslands all over the place. So we're on our way back to the lake, which was near the entrance to the trail. This is pretty challenging. That trail is up and down, and we have a set of stairs, like 2 or 3 sets of stairs. So yeah, you really way to work out in this place.
Ooh. These mosquitoes are driving me crazy.
Yeah, towards the end of the evening, you always get mosquitoes. Look, we have another sunset, like the other day.
Oh, are we gonna get it? Because the sunset is usually by 9 when in the summer.